So in this video, I'm going to tell you the story of a client. Sometimes you're going to get lead generation clients that are just very hard to build lists for, do reach outs for, and then get good results for, right? So this particular client, they did security audits for companies in the blockchain space. So any company in the blockchain space that has a smart contract, potential security vulnerabilities that can lead to them getting hacked, that can lead to millions of dollars getting stolen, they prevent that. They're a very good company and they help auditing the security of these smart contracts so that these smart contracts don't get hacked. And they had a great offer as well. They were offering to give the first 5 vulnerabilities for free. They just needed the potential client's GitHub, and then they would just go and run their scanner and figure out what are the potential security vulnerabilities. Now initially when we started doing lead gen for them, we were just focusing on LinkedIn. You can guess what happened. So let's watch till the end so to see what happened, what the client said. So they said they were targeting founders, CTOs actually at blockchain companies. Okay, so this is what we did for them, right? So we went and searched for the keyword blockchain, right? And because that shows they're in the blockchain space, and we were searching for like CTOs, right? So we just put in like Chief Technology Officer or CTO as a title. So that gave us quite a few results, but you see, there's a lot of these companies that are not going to be correct for us, right? Like maybe this one Lexmark, they are in IoT. They're obviously not into blockchain because this person Vishal, they just might have been interested in blockchain, so they just mentioned blockchain somewhere in the bio, right? Or this company Beta.one, which is in IoT again, not in blockchain. We got a lot of junk leads, and this client was not very happy 1 month in, right? They were like, okay, we just want a refund, cancel, all of that. But that's when, two tools jumped in to save us. And I'll take you through what those are. Those two tools are actually Clay and Ocean.io. So let me show you the workflow that we ended up building for them that ended up getting them 10 plus leads every month. So what we asked for them was, hey, just give us the best customers that these guys already have. So this was one of the clients that they had, Zuraverse, which is basically like a game where you get rewards for playing, right? So typical crypto game, right? So what we did was we said, okay, let's build out lookalikes of the companies which are similar to Zuraverse, right? And we did that through a tool called Ocean.io. Here's what we did, right? So let me show you that exact workflow. So we went into this, folder here, click on table. We said import data from Ocean.io, just select the account, and we put in the company domain right here, zuraverse.xyz. We gave it a couple of other filters, right? Yeah, only find, some simple similar to it. Domains to exclude, this is fine. Company size is fine. Company we wanted, countries we only wanted like US and UK. So we did that because this particular company is from UK. So this is it, right? We didn't put any other filters. All of that was good. And let's do only 10 just to show you. So when we click continue, this is what happens. This is what the end result looks like. I can show you right away. I don't want to use more credits, but yeah, we got the name of the, lookalike, the actual domain that they have and all of that. And a lot of these are very, very relevant, websites, right? Because all of these are Web3, NFT, some are, under maintenance. That's fine. Next, we ran an enrichment called, find an enriched person from Google search or find contacts at company. This we did through LinkedIn. So we were just looking at CEOs, right, on LinkedIn because we said, okay, let's move past CTOs, look at CEOs. This was the second brief from the client. And that's what we did. So we found quite a few. And then for those that we were not able to find, right, we said, okay, let's just enrich it from Google search, right? So we just searched for, URL splitting, which is, the domain founder or CEO, and we got quite a few good results. Now from that, we just combined these two and that's it, right? We were able to get almost 100% enrichment on like 1500 plus leads, right, from this particular table. Now for the next step, we just enrolled them into a direct outreach campaign on LinkedIn. It worked very well for them. So what we did was we just clicked on add enrichment and we just used our tool Sales Robot to send these leads automatically via an HTTP API right into Sales Robot campaign, right? Okay, so let me just show you some of the campaigns that we ran for them. So this is one, Nicola. She was the one who was the most successful. So this campaign, the Zuraverse lookalikes, we only ran to like 500 of these and we got 12 leads, just from this one campaign. There were other, campaigns as well that worked really well. So in all, we got like about 50 replies from them and about, 5 to 10 leads every month, coming in from just this one campaign. So this is the messaging that we used, right? So what we wanted was we just wanted to send them a connection request and just send them a very direct message, right? I hope you're well. I wanted to touch base regarding the security of your smart contracts. We'll give you the first 3 to 5 vulnerabilities. So yeah, I mean, she got quite a few leads, just because of this campaign. So let's just see what that looked like, right? So yeah, like quite a few leads that she got from this, right? Transfer it to the correct person, head of marketing, sign doc, someone no thanks. So this person, free audit and all of that. So a lot of people love free stuff, and this was a great offer. But what I really want to tell you is how quickly they were able to enroll all of these prospects, the relevant ones, directly from this table into a sales robot campaign. So what we did was we went into settings, we went into integrations, and then we said, okay, let's look at directly enrolling these prospects into a sales robot campaign. So we just copied this URL using the add prospects endpoint, right? And we put that in here, right? We said, okay, query string is none, body is going to contain the name of the campaign, first name, last name, and profile URL. That's what we want, right? So we just put that in here, and yeah, we just mapped everything, right? So what we did was, okay, campaign name is going to be Zuraverse lookalikes. That's what we're going for in this campaign. So we'll just put that in here. First name is Sherlock. First name is coming from again this particular like we can just get the first name from this one. So let's look at adding a new column. First name is coming from this particular column, last name is coming again from here, and profile URL is coming from or we can just use the full name, right? The full name column. So what we actually ended up doing for them was that we ended up using the full name column. So what we can do is go to webhooks, go to sales robot, and here we have to use the first name and last name. Okay, no worries. So we can just get the first name and last name. Formula, get the first name from this is the formula for getting the first name. Clay makes it very easy for you to write code, so you can actually do that. So this is perfect. And then this is formula, the last name from full name, right? So full name is here. Okay, so we have the first name, we have the last name. Now we can just send this over to sales robot for complete LinkedIn automation. So we just go here, we select post. The endpoint is going to come from sales robot because you can just add prospects to a campaign directly from it. This is the endpoint. Go to the body. For the body, you need this JSON. You obviously don't need all the fields. I'll just pick the top 4 ones because those are the ones that are relevant. So I'll just pop that in here. The name of the campaign we went with was Zuraverse lookalikes. So we just remove the empty spaces so that the JSON looks okay, right? First name is going to be this. Last name is going to be the extracted last name, which is this. Perfect. Perfect, all good. And then finally profile URL is going to come from this one, right? All right, all good. So that's our maybe this will work. Okay, that worked because it adds the double quotes anyway. So that sends that over to sales robot, and basically what it's able to do, it's able to take those prospects and automatically enroll them into that sequence, right? Where we're talking about giving them a free smart contract audit. All right, so that's it from me for this video. Make sure you stay tuned because we cover a lot of these rising sales tech tools like Ocean.io. or Sales Robot or Clay, that help you get good results with targeted outreach. If you are just stuck with Sales Navigator or any other old list building tool, it won't work for you anymore. It's 2024. You need to think about signal based prospecting. You need to think about using AI to improve the quality of your lead lists. And this is how it works. This is the kind of results we got for them. But unfortunately, just today I got an email from them that they're still canceling the subscription. But they said something very nice to us, right? So we actually got a very good testimonial for them. But they said that the quality of the AI is second to none. And yeah, like some of their larger clients left. We just didn't hit the targets. It's 80% on their end, because even though we gave them leads, they didn't follow up, they didn't close them. So stay tuned, subscribe to this channel, and I'll keep you in loop for more videos. All right, guys, take care. Bye bye.